morning to all. So this video is about Apex Foundation courses and Apex Olympiad courses implementation guidelines. So through this video, we are going to guide you with the step-by-step instructions for successful implementation of the program in the coming academic year. So let's proceed. First, we request the school management to appoint one program in charge. So from the existing faculties, one responsible and experienced faculty to be appointed as the program in charge. If you are following primary Olympiads, then for primary Olympiad, one primary in charge, and high school IIT Foundation, one in charge to be appointed. Because they will be coordinating with the school team and Apex team. So immediately you need to appoint the in charge. That is the first point. Next, after appointing the in charge, that information to be passed to Apex Central Office through WhatsApp group. What is the name of the in charge? What is the WhatsApp number? So if you share all the details, we will be communicating with that in charge regarding day-to-day activities. So we can avoid miscommunication between the school and between the Apex. So this person, this in charge, will be acting like a single point of contact for the school and for the Apex team. So this is very, very important. So next, we request that in charge to add all the concerned teachers in the official Apex WhatsApp group. So maths, those who are handling with maths, those who are handling with science, or those who are handling with the Olympiad, who are handling with all the concerned faculties, including admin, to be added in the official WhatsApp group as early as possible. That's the important task. Next. So after adding all of them in the WhatsApp group, we also request that concerned in charge to send all the faculty details through Excel file to our central office through mail or through WhatsApp. So what details we require means, what is the full name of the teacher, which subject they are handling, which class they are handling, what is their WhatsApp contact number, if they have any email address, that email address also we need, and how many years of teaching experience they have. If you provide all the teachers' contact numbers, then from our end, we will be adding them to our mobile app. So we have a mobile app with the name of Apex IIT-NIT Foundation. On the printed book backside, we have given the QR code also. You can just scan and you can download the app. But access to the batches will be given only by us. If you provide the faculty details, then for them, all kinds of access will be given from our end. So please share faculty details. Next, one more thing. So already we have sent the books, but remaining all we will be sending through DTDC Courier or through post. For that, we need complete courier address, complete school courier address, complete school courier address, full postal address with pin code, nearest landmark if any, contact person for courier receipt. This number also very important because the management, the chairman or principal, they will be busy in school works. If any delivery boy he makes a call, they may not pick the call. At the time, the delivery boy, he will send back the courier to us again. Nobody is receiving the parcel like that. He will keep a remark like that. To avoid that, we request you to provide one dedicated number for receiving this courier. So that is to be done. And the school office hours, delivery timing, if it is possible. The details of also if you mention means, it will be better. So next. So already if you have received books means, we kindly request you to cross-check the books first. What is the order you have placed? Whether the books you have received as per the order or not. Are there any shortages in any class? Like that, please note down. Please cross-check the books. If there is any shortage, you can report that missing books immediately to our dispatch in charge. So we will share all the numbers through WhatsApp group. If any such kind of missing happens, means you can contact to the dispatch in charge directly, or you can keep a message in the WhatsApp group so that we can send the books immediately. If there are any sets incomplete, better to keep them aside. So after getting the complete sets, you can distribute to the students. So still, after this video, in few days, we will be sending exam schedules, complete printed key and solution booklets, lesson plans, training videos, and worksheets. So everything will come in printed form. No need to take any printout from the school end. We will be supplying all one by one. OMR sheets, progress cards, and all. We will be sending one by one. So this will be the upcoming schedules. So if the teachers, if you won't add teachers in the official group, so then they will be missing all that information. So because if teachers, if they are in the group, then whatever things we are going to share, if the in charge passes to the concerned teacher, so then they will be knowing about all the things, what is happening in the WhatsApp, what is happening day to day. Otherwise, this miscommunication, if they don't have a lesson plan, if they don't have schedule, instead of one lesson, they will be starting one more lesson, which is not in the exam schedule. So to avoid that, so immediately we request you to add all the concerned teachers in the official WhatsApp group. And we request the in charge, if there is any information or if any message comes through WhatsApp group, the in charge duty is he need to note down that in a diary and he need to take the signature of all the teachers. Because if simply if it is in WhatsApp group, nobody don't care about that. Suppose we have sent one WhatsApp message, it is in the group, but nobody has observed that message. It may lead to miscommunication. To avoid that, the in charge has message and he need to pass that information to the concerned signature. For that, one diary to be maintained. So because proper coordination leads to successful implementation of the program. So without proper coordination, we cannot make the programming success. So thank you teachers. I hope you have understood the points what we are going to tell. In the coming days, we will be coming up with more number of videos related to teacher training and all. So whatever points we have told, please note down and try to implement it immediately tomorrow. Thank you friends. Have a great day.